Welcome to my video Create Your Own Quality Private Label Rights Products. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In this video I will reveal how you can get products you can sell as your own. What would you say if you could make $5,000 a week selling PLR products? While that's just a random number, the truth is when you use PLR techniques that are proven, you are going to enjoy the cash cow. More good news, anybody can be victorious at selling PLR products just by learning from the experts and then replicating what they are doing. One of the quickest ways you can create an online income is selling PLR products online. There are all kinds of PLR products available and lots of it can be downloaded at no cost to you. So how do you go about finding something that is excellent quality and that is value added to your traffic, subscribers, and/or customers? The very first thing you should do is to begin to research your niche market. Have a look at things you are interested in, but don't close your mind to ideas you haven't considered. Keep this in mind: if what you provide helps solve a person's problem, it will sell, so when you are hunting for that right product, consider this. You can use Google's keyword tool to see what searches have been popular. Then if you can find a quality product that will fit that niche market and you can offer it at a price that targeted traffic is willing to pay, you will end up with a high conversion rate. When you have a high conversion rate, you make money. What's so great about PLR products is that there are so many opportunities available to create exactly what you need. You can almost always find PLR products for the niche you are looking to fill. You can take PLR articles and turn them into an ebook, or take an ebook and turn it into articles. You can use the material to create newsletters or to put posts to your blog. Then you sign your name to it as the author and you're in business. You should look for PLR products that give you full no restriction rights so you can do what you want with the PLR product. Once you've found your product, you need to get targeted traffic to your website, because without that traffic you can have the best product on the market but you won't sell any of it. There are several techniques you can use to bring targeted traffic to your site. Paid methods include banner ads, AdWords, etc. Free methods include social media, article marketing, and blogging. Start with the free methods and build on that. Now that you know how to create your own quality private label rights products, you are ready to start earning. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch one of my other videos. Check out the description below for information on how to get over 800 you can sell as your own.